Today we built a time machine, taking you back to the 80s in studio.
Hi guys, Derek G Photography here, Derek Giovanni. So we set up an 80s theme shoot, at least to start today. Just keep in mind, guys, that like in the 80s, things were crazy. Things were like the colors were crazy, the pastels, I don't know. There's just something like the music was crazy. I don't know. So the poses should be a little bit more crazy, like a little bit more elaborated, and we're thinking 80s style. So we'll get to it, but I think if we can find some poses that fit into the 80s theme, it's gonna be better.
So hey, here guys, this is Royal Lei, joined me in studio, and I want to talk to you a little bit about the setup that I have here. So if you see behind her, that's the Lindsay Adler optical spot. Finally figured out how to use the thing. Check out this video for more information about how I screwed it up the first time. So yeah, we're just running through a bunch of colors and different ideas for this 80 theme shoot. It was a lot of fun. Thanks for joining me, Royal Lei. And by the way, this picture right here is a San Junipero Black Mirror themed picture. And this picture here was just fun and hazy. I don't know, there's something about haziness in the 80s. So I also had the pleasure of inviting the amazing and talented Azul into studio. Check out her Instagram, but check out her Spotify. She's an amazing artist and has a beautiful voice. So check out this image here. I really like the blues and the oranges that came through. Definitely an 80s vibe. Love it. Thank you, Azul, for coming and shooting with us. We had a good time. Definitely going for that nightclub vibe here. Pretty fun. Had a good time. It's just something about the 80s. You want to keep the party going, you know? Stay tuned for a review of that Amaran light above Royal Lei. So hey, I want to give a shout out to my friend VectorShotPhoto for coming in to studio and helping us with all this video. He came in and got some amazing shots as well. So here's when the fog came out. This was just atmosphere spray. And a little tip for you guys: don't shoot this in studio while you have your smoke detector active, because it will go off. So here's some more footage by VectorShot. I thought he did a really cool job getting some of this really cool footage. So we're both members of Good Inc., and that's where we met. And yeah, he's a really talented photographer. Check out his work. He adds a lot of contrast and color to his shot. So this was my favorite picture of Azul, and this is where I started, probably my first edit. So Azul is awesome, man. Like I said, check out her Spotify. More stuff from VectorShot. Man, I gotta get him in studio and ask him how he sets up his rig. I really liked how he did this for kind of run and gun shooting with a lot of color. So hey, I just want to end talking a little bit more about how much fun it is to collaborate with creatives such as these three. It's an amazing thing when a bunch of people come together and start creating together. So I met VectorShot and Royal Lei through Good Inc. events, and VectorShot invited Azul to the shoot, so we had 3 people, and there you go. So the important thing to note: work with your community. That's how you find people to work with. That's how I do it. And yeah, I just want to say thank you to everybody for coming and shooting. Till next time.